Hello, children! Let's play the game. Don't say the same thing or you're out. The rules of the game are simple. I'll give you the question, and if you answered the same as me, you've lost the game. First, leave a like on the video and subscribe. Yeah, if you did, let's start the game. Question number 1, the name of a city in France. I said Paris. If you same said Paris, get out of here. To make it easier, write the answers in the comment, and at the end we will compare them. Question number 2, the name of some fruit. I said banana. If you same said banana, get out of here. I'm sorry if until now you answered the same as me. For more success, don't forget to like and subscribe. Question number 3. Choose an emoji and I'll try to guess it. I chose this emoji. If I guessed your emoji, you lost, and you are obliged to like and subscribe. Question number 4. Choose a number from 1 to 5. I chose number 2. If you same chose number 2, get out of here. Question number 5. Who do you love more in the family? I said mom. If you same said mom, get out of here. Here I am done with the questions. Here is the list of my answers, but you go down in the comments and check how many answers we have the same.
wash away.